Bill is to cash. Let's go. To start, ipapakita ko sa inyo na may 10k bill is ko. So to convert it to cash, unang gagawin ay maghanap tayo ng unbank merchant. Katapos, tanungin ang merchant kung nagpapakash out ba sila ng bill is. Kapag nagsabi ang merchant ng yes, hingiin mo ang QRPH nito. Then buksan ang bill is app. Then click QR reader sa gitna. Then this will appear. Select scan QR. Tapos mapupunta ka dito. You can directly scan the QR of the own bank merchant or click upload QR if you decided to upload the QR. Then select the QR ng own bank, then click done. After mo nagawa yun, the QR will process, then napupunta ka dito, kung saan you'll be asked how much would you spend. For me, I will enter 100 just for this tutorial. Then click continue. After clicking continue, this receipt will generate as proof of your payment. Once na-confirm na ng merchant bayad mo, pwede mo na makuha ang pera sa bilis. Tanong, paano po kung walang on-bank merchant near me? In that case, you can message me at my FB page or Instagram. Tulad ng ginawa ng aking mga subscriber at FB followers.